If you want to lead something, start by saying, this is what I care about. This is what I want to do and why I think you should care about it and you should want to help. Hardly a day goes by that I don't think how fast my life has flown. How I remember as if it were yesterday, the first day I became president. Hardly anything worth doing can be done alone. This is a particularly disorienting time for billions of people in the world. You've got major uncertainties about what's going to happen in the years ahead. At a time like that, you really need good leadership skills. And you need people whose goal it is to pull people together, not drive them apart. People need to feel the potential to create a better tomorrow. This class is unlike anything I've ever done. I'll be teaching skills I developed and used in very challenging leadership positions. And I hope that those skills will help you in your personal and professional lives. You'll learn how to work with people you don't agree with, may not even like, and how to mediate conflicts. I don't believe being nice is inconsistent with being tough and smart. You gotta be tough as nails with your tender heart. I have encountered a lot of setbacks. I lost 2 elections after I entered politics. I've had ferocious opposition where the whole strategy was to try to destroy me as a person. My mother died after I became president. I've had a lot of things that really hurt. But in the end, the great adventure of life is what you decide to do with it. We're all struggling mortals with fleeting lives who are trying to be right as often as we can and trying to live a life that amounts to something. A good leader will share the credit when something good happens and assume responsibility for the mistakes and not look for a scapegoat. I believe leaders are not just born, they are also made. And I hope everybody who watches this will say, what am I going to do to be a better leader? I'm President Bill Clinton, and this is MasterClass.